teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda into a bowl. Mix this as much as possible to get rid of any unwanted lumps. Add 2 level teaspoons of citric acid into the bowl and mix these 2 ingredients together. Add a couple of drops of colour or a sprinkle of colour dye and mix this in too. Don't worry if you can't see the colour too well, it will appear more vibrant when the water is added in later. Mix in any scents you would like, ranging from fresh herbs to aromatherapy oils to dry petals. Remember to keep smelling your bath bomb to make sure you are happy with the final aroma. Begin squirting in approximately 6 squirts of water at a time and mix this in with your mixture. Continue to do this until your mixture feels wet and is sticking together. You do not want it to be foaming, as this means you have put too much water in. Using your spoon, scoop out the mixture and flatten down the bath bomb mould. Make the mould as compact as possible with mixture, as it will make the bath bomb stronger and more likely to stick together when released from the mould. Let the bath bomb dry for around 2 hours and when ready pop it out from the mould. You can then wrap it and give it as a present using tissue paper and ribbons.